Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick update on the Wealthsimple Venture Fund. There's been a few questions and comments wondering when the fund is actually going to be starting. As you know, right now the fund is just sitting in a high interest savings fund, the purpose US dollar fund, making regular monthly dividends on that, which is great. If you've been following on the channel, I've done a couple updates on that. The portfolio in that fund has been doing okay return wise right now, but I just had an update from Wealthsimple. So if you are invested in this fund, go check your email. You may have received that already as well. So they've updated a little bit. So far to date, they have received about $25 million to be invested into the Wealthsimple Venture Fund, which is great. So it is moving forward. There were some questions with that. Now they also have announced that the last day to make a deposit into your account is going to be November 25th, 2022. So that is coming up about just over a month from now. So if you are thinking of investing, if you're on the list to be putting any funds in that, now is the time to possibly look into doing that. There's also the option that was given to me to put more funds in, obviously with the cutoff date being November 25th. I'm not putting any extra funds in there. The goal was to put in $5,000, which was the minimum amount required by Wealthsimple to invest in the venture fund. So we won't be making any changes on that. But that being said, let's just jump into the portfolio right now, show you how it's doing, because there was a dividend received, as I mentioned in my last video on this update, but it's actually done and gone now and been reinvested. So let's jump in. I'll show you how it's performing so far so you can see and take a look. All right, here we are in the Wealthsimple Venture Fund. We're using the Wealthsimple Invest app for this. As we can see, we are up 8%. So of our original $5,000 investment, we're up to $5,400.46. This will fluctuate obviously with the exchange rate, but Canadian dollar, well, the US dollar is very strong right now. The Canadian dollar not so strong against it. So that's why we're seeing the increase. But we can go in and actually we'll show you the history of the Wealthsimple Venture Fund. If we scroll down, and you can see here, so as reported in my last video, I did receive a dividend on October 7th of $12.08. And then as of yesterday, October 11th, they reinvested $22.73 back into the purpose. It's being held in the purpose US dollar cash ETF. So that is basically a quick update on how the portfolio is performing. Pretty happy with 8% increase, and now there's a bit of clarity in terms of when it's going to be starting to be allocated into the actual venture fund investment. All right, be sure to let me know in the comments below, are you invested in the Wealthsimple Venture Fund? As always, I know there's a few people following the channel who are. They have had some questions, so I just wanted to get this this quick video out there to let you know, coming up November 25th is the last day to put any extra funds that you wish to invest in the fund. And it looks like we'll be starting to have some investments put into allocations going forward. It'll be interesting to see how this all pans out. Kind of interested to see how this can potentially grow. We'll see. Obviously, with the markets the way they're doing, this is a long-term. They're saying 10-year investment. So we'll see how it performs over the next 10 years, and we'll keep updating the videos as there's any type of change with the Wealthsimple Venture Fund. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you aren't subscribed to the channel, made it this far, it'd be great to have you join along. Just go hit the subscribe button. Like I always say, subscribing is free. It's great to have you join along. We do regular live streams on the channel. I will share my TFSA portfolio updates on the channel. It'd be great to have you join along. Thanks so much. We'll see you in the next video.